Hi everyone, my name is Rodrigo with Dripworks, and today we're going to be talking about how to prepare Remington raspberries for the winter season. Remington raspberries are a special variety because they can produce fruit twice, both on the current year's growth and the previous year's canes. But to get the best results, you need to prepare them correctly for the winter. It is essential to prune Remington raspberries after harvesting. Many gardeners make the mistake of leaving strong canes from the season. However, leaving them weakens the plant and makes it more vulnerable to disease. To properly winterize your raspberry plants, cut all the canes down to the ground, leaving no branches or stumps. This ensures the plant's energy goes into new, healthy growth next season. If you want to experiment with 2 harvests, you can leave 5 to 6 canes per bush. Trim them by a third and cover them for the winter. It is also necessary to remove smaller shoots. There will be no harvests on them. After pruning, it's time to protect your raspberries from the cold. Mulching helps insulate the roots and retain moisture. Using materials like straw, peat, hay, or sawdust, and spreading a thick layer around the plants to shield them from freezing temperatures. Don't forget to give your raspberry plants a deep watering a couple of weeks before the first frost. Watering before winter helps the roots store up moisture, ensuring they stay hydrated through the cold months. With these 3 simple steps, pruning, mulching, and watering, Remington raspberries will be well prepared to survive the upcoming winter and be back stronger next year. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time.